Hello, hello! Welcome back to our channel! Today we are checking out HOME2 Suites by Hilton here in Denton, Texas. So this is how it looks like in the outside. It's in a pretty safe neighborhood. It's actually in the shopping center. Now let's go check the room. Right here. Wow, we have a kitchen when you go inside. Oh, we have a kitchen. Let's see the bathroom first. If it's clean, it's clean. Okay, it's gonna be fast, guys, because we are all tired. So this is how the size. Let's turn on all the light. It's clean. Welcome, Matt. Okay. Hold on. Let's turn on all the light. Let's turn on. We're gonna take. So as you can see, guys, the room is clean, doesn't have a funky smell, and the room size is decent. So now let's check out their free breakfast options. So they have this waffle corner, and it looks nice and it looks clean. And this side they have the normal, the breakfast sausage, eggs, muffins, toast. They have a toaster. So here we check out their laundry area and the gym too. Also, their pools are clean too and just a standard size. They also have towels if you need it and a few lounge chairs so the kids can enjoy. That's it for today, guys. Till our next hotel review. Bye bye. Just comment if you guys have any questions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.